Today on the Dream Cars, we're taking an exclusive look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Think of this as a refined evolution of the 5th-generation W206 sedan, arriving in showrooms as a facelifted model for 2026. Visually, the 2026 update is subtle but striking. Mercedes has introduced star-themed LED daytime running lights in both headlamps and taillamps, a design feature first seen on the E-Class and CLA. The front bumper and rear fascia have been reshaped slightly, and there's a new grille design, on some prototypes even a backlit Mercedes emblem, and redesigned mirror caps that now house integrated cameras for a more advanced surround view system. Inside, the cabin remains familiar, but Mercedes has upgraded materials for a more premium feel and revised the infotainment experience. Expect a faster version of MBUX, possibly with optional 3-screen layout similar to the superscreen in the E-Class, including a passenger display in high trims. Safety tech receives small but meaningful improvements, including enhanced ADAS features aided by added sensors and smarter windshield cameras. Under the hood, the familiar 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 remains, offering around 255 horsepower paired with mild hybrid EQ boost in base C300 models. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with 4-MODIC all-wheel drive available. Mercedes is fine-tuning the 9-speed automatic transmission for improved fuel efficiency and emissions compliance with Euro 7 or similar regional standards. Watch for AMG variants to return with more character. The C43 AMG continues as a mild hybrid 4-cylinder with about 416 horsepower. The C63 SE performance gains renewed attention. Rumors point to a V8 or possibly inline-6 replacing the previous inline-4 hybrid due to enthusiastic demand from purists. The outgoing C63 PHEV delivers around 671 horsepower and roughly 8 miles electric range, but fans wanted a deeper engine note, and Mercedes may comply. There's also an electric-only version of the C-Class expected, likely debuting as a 2026 or 2027 model in key markets. Spy shots show it using a front trunk and potentially offering solar roof optionality, bidirectional charging, hyper-connected MBUX hyperscreen and plug-and-charge capability. This EV variant may be built on a different platform, MB.EA, separate from the ICE W206 architecture. Mercedes plans a debut in late 2025, with sales starting in mid-2026 globally. In the US, expect the refreshed ICE version, followed by the electric model in 2026 or early 2027. The wagon won't be sold in the US, unfortunately. Why care? Because this facelift rebalances tradition and modernity. It keeps the precision of existing infotainment while whispering the future, starry lighting, more EV offerings, optional V8 grunt, and refined tech. For the Dream Cars audience, it's a sleek, techified luxury sedan that evolves rather than revolutionizes. So whether you're after the standard mild hybrid C300, the sporty AMG C43 or C63, or even the all-electric variant, Mercedes is ensuring the C-Class stays relevant in a world shifting toward electrification. More updates as official pricing and trim sheets drop. Stay tuned here. Let me know if you'd like to dive deeper into trims, spec pages, or comparisons with Audi A5 or BMW 3 Series. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars, and see you in the next ride. There you go, a ready-to-record narrative under 5,000 characters, engaging, factual and fitting your, the Dream Cars, tone.